No better than to have the Fiji coach Gareth Bailey here with us. And Gareth, you've been through a lot in your career. How special was it to go back to that You carried on from Cape Town. What's the secret?
Just keep carrying on. It's hard work, it's perseverance. It's belief in each other, it's belief in the Lord, and the power, the strength that it gives us. The most of all, in the back in Fiji, it's far from excellence, it's for all the children that we see so often in Fiji playing around us.
Well, it's the children that you said, but also a lovely compliment to you lifting the ball girl out on the field. And that's one of the greatest things we've seen in sporting history. So thank you for you, mate.
Obviously, humility is a big part of the values that we talk to the team. So anybody's part of our family, a ball girl coming in there is as much of the oldest playing field as anybody else. So it's very special for us to have beautiful sports like that.
Thank you very much, Gareth. And now, Mark Diana Tutlas from the UL with that wonderful trophy. Congratulations, Fiji.